Some of you may have noticed that we haven't had many Riding with Ron videos, and that's because you can see my little racetrack has now been completely repaved. So we got a lot of good grip here, and we can go pretty quick. This is a 1979 911 SC that we just finished up. We've now put 3 miles on it, and as you can see, the brakes work pretty good. And this is the first couple of miles we're putting on it. So we're going to break it in here a little bit, have some fun, and see what it'll do. Still coming in a little bit. But this is really fun. I'm glad the city of West Chicago decided to pave all this for us, because it makes it really fun through here now. We converted it, as you know, most SCs are all 3 liters. This is now a 3.2. We put special cams in it. It's got everything new in this car. I found this car, actually this car found us, and came to us from somebody that found it in a barn. Hadn't been run or started in probably 20-25 years. It needed everything. And when I say everything on this car, we did everything. Everything's new in the transmission, all new bearings, synchros, forks, everything's done there. The engine's been completely gone through, all done. New pistons and cylinders, new bearings, new chains, tensioners, rebuilt the fuel distributor, all new injectors, new starter. Hello birds, let's scare you. So we did a lot of work to this car. The car was originally gray, and the customer wanted something cool, and we kind of talked him into it, and we did it in olive green, and it is stunning. We're running 7-inch wheels by 16s in the front, 8 by 16s in the back. We've got SSI exhaust headers on it with a twin pipe exhaust, GT3 style coming out of the center. We had to change the rear valance to have the pipes come out of the back, which worked out really, really well. It's got all new shocks, new bearings, new bushings, you name it, we did it. It's starting to warm up nice now. Goes right into the corner. Real easy. Wonderful car to drive. Just a lot of fun. We can haul ass with this thing all day long. I'll take it right up the red line. It's the way to break it in motor, right? Hello. Should I pass him? There we go. I always give it that little blip between a shift, just because everything's so new. Just want to make sure we're engaging the synchro properly without just slamming it, let everything break in. This car now has only 5 miles on it since we did all the work. Now, of course, we've had it running in the shop, and we've checked everything to make sure everything is tight and not falling down and going to kill me out here, because we're going pretty quick. I mean, we're approaching this corner at, what, 80, 90? Not so bad. That's an 80 mile an hour corner right there, folks. Cops should be here pretty soon. But we're having fun. But the car just sticks. We did a pretty aggressive alignment on it. And it works well. I'm flat to the floor here, guys. We upgraded the air conditioning as well. All new hoses, all new motors. The high velocity fans are all in this. Boy, this car is getting sweeter and sweeter. So it's pretty hot out here today. It's almost 90, and the air conditioning is just working beautifully. Not even working hard. No squeal out of the tires. That's flat through here. Hang on, Sloopy. We got good grip. We got really good grip. This is awesome. No squeal out of tires at all coming through these roundabouts. Little lift here, just to get the front settle in. Little heel toe downshift going into the corner, running a little wide, tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up. There we go. Hit the apex, and away we go. Hold it in tight, let it drift, come through the corner, hold it tight, let it open up a little bit, and here we are. One more time. Same thing going back. Tighten it up. Hit the apex in the corner here. Open it up, let it drift over, let it come through the corner. 80 miles an hour through here. Let's not hit the garbage truck. I hope you guys can hear the exhaust in this car. It is just sweet. The cams come in beautifully, right around 2,800, and good throttle response. We didn't really do much to the injection. It's all pretty stock. We did raise the pressures a little bit for the warm regulator, but that's about it. Nothing much more than that. Played with the timing a little bit, make sure we got maximum horsepower, and make sure that the car does everything it's supposed to do, which it's doing. All right, so it's pretty cool. I like it. You know, we've got Coney shocks in it. We didn't adjust them too aggressively. They work good, kind of out of the box. They got to break in a little bit. They're still a little bouncy, but they'll soften up. We lowered the car, obviously, put it on scales, balanced it. So all that's been done. And we maximized all the suspension settings. And so it does everything right. I love this car. It scoots. A lot of fun to drive. We could build one just like this for you too. We did some cool interior work, which you can't see. Chris will probably take some pictures. We did a green houndstooth insert on the stock seats, gave it some extra padding for a more comfortable ride. We also did the door panels, half of them, the front part, all in the green houndstooth. We've got green seat belts, I don't know if you can see them. And we also redid the steering wheel, put extra padding in the steering wheel, and the stitching is all green. You probably can't see it. We also put the classic radio in it, you know, and customer's going to be very happy. Took us about a year to build it. It was a complete color change. We took it right down to bare metal. All the wiring was removed. So it's a lot of work to do one of these cars. Don't let anybody kid you. All the hardware is all new or replated. All the everything on the chassis is all CAD plated, yellow. So it's a pretty sweet little car.